Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mercy. Today I'm working on my bathroom. I'm doing a complete house makeover for those of you that new to this channel. So I'm working step by step, room by room in my house makeover. So today's the bathroom day. I'm adding some glam on my mirror. As you can see, it's ugly right now. So you know me, I have to add some glam touch up on it. I ordered this style on Amazon. It's a peeling steak, and I absolutely love it. I really love it. Look at it, guys. It's so beautiful. So, if you're looking for glam, this is glam. It's a mirrored tile. It's so gorgeous. Okay, I cut them. I think I got like 4 pieces in each tile. I use almost 3 of them. So as you already see, guys, it's so easy to do. You just peel and stick. I love to say that. Peel and stick. It's so easy. So let's get to work, guys. Keep watching. If you are new to this channel, welcome. I'm so grateful to have you here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Whenever I upload, you will be the first to know. In my channel, I do pretty much everything. I do my nails, I do my hair, I do house makeover, house cleaning, some fitness videos. I'm currently in nursing school. I'm like few months away to graduate, and I'm planning on doing some nursing vlog, nursing videos. I'm a mom of 4 beautiful kids. I have a grandson, and this video I did it. It was after work, and I work too, believe it or not, after work. So I had to come home, and I said, okay, I haven't posted a video in a long time, so I have to work on my bathroom. So I just did the video because my shift is basically 7 to 7. I don't work a lot days, but I work long hours. I work mostly weekends. I go to school during weekdays. I have a family to feed, to take care, so it is what it is. So it's not really recommended, but it is what it is. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Keep on watching. This is the finished look, guys. Wow, I'm so in love with it. So don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you like it. So I hope to see you on my next video. So that's the time I'm gonna do my bathroom decoration because I just finished to paint the bathroom at my mirror. So the next one gonna be like a bathroom decoration. See you next time. Bye.